up, YouTube? It's your boy Jay Wash. Welcome back to Jay Wash TV. Today we got a Hype Beast package. Hype Beast package. Hype Beast package. Hype Beast package. Let's go! They wanna have my baby. We got this package, man, and whoo, I am super stoked just to see what this looks like. Waited months for this package right here, and it finally showed up. This package right here took like 4 months to come in. 4 months. I totally forgot that I even had this right here. I even ordered this, man, and all that stuff. So we're gonna get straight to it. We're gonna open it together. And it's not going to be too much talking. We're going to get straight into it. Alright, y'all ready? Here we go. This look like it's... I don't know. Look, this is a cheap ass shipping though. They shipped it just like this. Come on. Let's go. Alright, we got to use some muscle first. Alright, here we go. Oh, wait. Oh, that should be a thumbnail. Oh, oh, y'all see that? Oh, y'all see it? Oh. All right, we got a few items. We got this right here. This is a sweater, and then we have a t-shirt. So let's get into the sweater first. The packaging is pretty good though on the inside. I didn't like how they shipped it without a box or anything like that, you know what I'm saying? But oh wait, all right, this is the receipt right here. I bought the World hoodie in black. And then I bought a Sicko Event t-shirt in brown. The hoodie cost $85, and then the shirt cost $45. Receipt right here for you guys right here. My address is on there, so I'm not showing you the whole thing. But oh wait, let me get it close to you. Alright, I got it closer for you right here. Boom. That's what the receipt looks like. So let's get into it. Let's open a t-shirt first. So this is the Sicko t-shirt that I got. This is, if you do not know, this is from the Fortnite collection. He dropped back in like April or something like that. So this is from the Fortnite. If you guys don't know what that is, Fortnite is a video game that was like free for like PlayStation, Xbox, and shit like that. So this is the brown t-shirt. Let's go ahead and open it up. This is the brown Sicko t-shirt in the 2X. I just went for a 2X because I never had his merch before, but it looked like I probably needed that 1X on this. But you got an all brown shirt through the whole front. I don't know, the whole front right here. Now the back is sick. I'm looking at it right now. The back is sick. I will be doing like, I will put this stuff on for you guys so y'all can see what it looks like. But the back is sick. The back is sick right here. I don't know what that says right there, so I'm not looking at it, but I know it says something. But the back is sick. All right. The back. I want to show y'all the back. Astro World. Oh shit. This shit is dope as hell. Ooh. You got, so here you got at the bottom, you got Fortnite. Let's see what it says. Fortnite. You got Fortnite down here. Astro. www.travisScott.com. CJ for Cactus Jack. You got his logo down here at the bottom. You got a bunch of little logos down at the bottom. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'll try to do a B-roll of this stuff right here though. But so you have all the logos, Cactus Jack and stuff like that. But that is sick, bruh. That is sick right here. The material is pretty good too. Now the reason why I copped this is because I wanted to rock it with these. So the brown is a perfect match. Shoe is a little lighter, but it'll work for me. This is why I bought the brown t-shirt, because I was like, I don't have anything brown to rock with this shirt. So I was like, you know what? And he got the same ones on in his action figure. So I was like, you know what? That shit is sick. And I kind of like did an impulse buy too. So, cause I would never pay $45 for a t-shirt. So I ended up paying $45 for a t-shirt. It looks really big though too. So I might have should have went down to a large. But the designs on the back, man, is super dope, man. Like I said, this is from the Fortnite collection that I ordered back in, I think like 4 months ago. I still got more stuff coming in. They just not have shipped it to me yet. I'm pretty sure it won't be until like October or something like that. But this is the first one, the Astro World Sicko t-shirt in that brown colorway to match the Jordan 1s. Or if you have the lows, I think the kind of lows match it better. Lows, Same. But yes, so right there, or you can throw them motherfuckers on with these right here, because it do have that fire in there, but that green throws it off. So it's kind of like, I probably wouldn't rock it with the 6s though, but the 1s I totally would rock it with a clean fit, man. But that is the Sicko in that brown colorway, and I'm about to show you guys what it looks like on feet. So let's run it.
Roll on the beat. Roll on the beat.
Right now I do have that brown t-shirt on from Travis Scott. It fits really good. I could have went with a large, but the 2X would do good for me, you know what I'm saying? So this is my first time ordering from Travis Scott merch. So if I wanted to tell you guys, go true to size. I went true to size. I wear 2. It depends on what kind of material this is. I mean, material there is. I do go from, extra large to 2X. So this is a 2X. It fits pretty good. Probably wouldn't wash it. It'll fit way better. But that Sicko, this shirt is dope as hell. Like this is dope. Like it fits real good. It's not too snugged. And like I said, these are about to look super fire with the Jordan 1s. Travis Scott highs, these right here, or if you do have the lows, it'll go with the lows too. So these 2 right here, either or, it'll go with these 2 right here. Y'all let me know down in the comment section below. It should be in some b-roll going of this up close and personal. So let me know if you guys went for this back in April or whenever that was, and we're gonna get to the next one. Next one, we do have the sweater in all black with that same logo in the back besides the X on the eyes. These are just white and black eyes. Let's go ahead and open up. This is going to be a wintertime sweater. So, let me go ahead and... Ooh! Right here. Here we go. This is thick too, man. This is thick. Alright, so on the front side, you have that logo again with that smiley face right there with that... I don't know if that's like a PlayStation sign. I can't see if you can see it, but there is a sign down there. On the back, you have live in your world, rage in ours. Is that what it says? Yeah. So that's in the back here, and then you have all the sponsors and logos and shit like that on the back, and that is it besides his Cactus Jack at the bottom. But this sweater is thick as hell too, boy. This motherfucker gonna keep you warm. That logo is sick as hell. Like that logo is sick, bro. I don't even play Fortnite, but I was just looking through it. You had it up there for like maybe 2 or 3 days, man, and I was just like, well, I ordered it the first day, but I just kept going back and forth, like, do I want it? Do I want it? Because like I said, I don't spend $45. This sweater right here was $85 just for a sweater. So I was like, man, do I really want to do it? But I was like, yeah, you know what? I like Travis Scott. I got shoes, so I might as well cop some merch from him. But that is the 2 items that I did get from that Fortnite drop. Let me know if you guys are feeling this one or the t-shirt, both or none. Let me know down in the comment section below, man. Right here, I will have to find out what I can rock with these right here, because I would not rock with the brown Travis Scotts, or I totally would probably do the 6s with these. These 6s might go with those. It's just I was looking for like a greener, I don't know. I have to look what it looks like on feet and do all that extra stuff with that. But for right now, I still have a while till winter time. So this is sick though. So we're going to do the on body shot of this one right here. And this thick ass shit, I got to hurry up with this because it's going to be hot. So let me know down in the comment section below if you guys copped this, if y'all passed, y'all didn't. There was another drop too, but I can't remember what that one was. But this is the Fortnite collection right here. Let me know if you guys are feeling it or not. If you're new to the channel, man, make sure you hit the subscribe button, like, comment, man. Let me know. Let's interact down in the comment section below. We've been slipping on that lately, so let's go ahead and blow the comment section below up and tell me how y'all feel about this right here or the t-shirt. So, and let's look at the like go right here. Let's get another 60 likes. 60 likes on this video right here for Travis Scott sending this shit late. If you mad that you purchased this, make sure you hit the like button. And if you rock with Travis Scott, like if you rock with his merch, his sneakers, or anything like that, his music, make sure you hit the like button right there to show me that you guys like Travis Scott and obviously that you guys are feeling this video. But let's get to this real quick. Hey, this hoodie is well worth $85. The $95 or whatever I spent, $85 to $100, whatever it was. But this hoodie is hella dope in my humble opinion. Now, if you missed this, man, I don't think you're gonna ever get this, so you're gonna have to hit StockX. But yeah, hey, I'm gonna totally rock this back in winter time, man. This is gonna be fire. Fire. I was mad because like I kept looking for it. Like I said, I've never ordered on Travis Scott, so I didn't know that wait time was like that. So I just continued to watch for about a month, and I was like, you know what, fuck it, I'm not gonna watch it no more. And they emailed me like a few days ago, and he's like, yo, your order's on the way. And I was like, I wanted to post it and like, yo, my Travis Scott Fortnite collection is coming. But I was like, you know what? I'm not going to post it. I'm going to surprise them with this drop right here. So, that is the two items that I've got. I'm not even going to tell you what I got coming in. But I still got some stuff from Travis Scott coming in. I don't know when. They have not shipped that. I mean, they have not told me anything about the shipping on that one. But y'all are smart and y'all probably get what it is. So, that right there is the two items that I got from the merch drop back in April. So like I said in the beginning, man, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Let's get 60 likes on this video, and let's get the comment section below popping. Let me know what y'all think about the merch, or if your merch has came in, because different cities had different times. People start getting it like a month ago, 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, and you know what I'm saying, I finally got mine. So it's all different time frames of when you're going to get it depending on what city you in. So if you're closer to California, because I think they ship from California, you probably got it, no telling. But I'm pretty sure you got your shit before me, because I'm down here in Oklahoma. So how y'all feel about these two right here? The sweater right here is $85. T-shirt was $45. This shirt is sick, man. I like things that has those designs on it, and this shit is sick. So for me, my review, it's A1 steak sauce. If this dropped again, if he got any merch dropping, I will be going for it, because this turned out pretty good for me to pay that $180 or whatever the price was for this. Something that I wouldn't normally do. I will be able to do it again because the merch came in A1 steak sauce. So I'm not saying this just because I'm a hype beast, because I'll tell you straight the fuck up if this shit was trash. But this shit turned out really good. Way better than what I thought. You know what I'm saying? The hoodie is, I think I like the hoodie better than the t-shirt. But I will obviously wear the t-shirt more because I get to rock it with the sneakers, man. So it'll be this one or this one. And then I got to figure out a fit that I can rock with the 6s instead of just like a green shirt and stuff like that. So y'all let me know down in the comment section below how y'all feel about this video. If y'all got y'all merch, if y'all didn't get your merch, man, y'all need to call Travis Scott. Yo, Travis, my people need their merch, man. Hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, man. If you new to the channel, man, like 60 likes, man. Every video is going to be 60 likes until we continue to keep hitting that consistently. So 60 likes on every video from now on. If y'all still have not entered the giveaway, make sure you guys go enter that giveaway. I'm at 2,600 subscribers, so that's 400 more subscribers to go. So hey, y'all gotta keep rocking with me, man. We're gonna hit that 3K, and I'm doing that $400 giveaway or I'll purchase your shoe for up to $400 on StockX or GOAT. You know what I'm saying? That's me and T Jackson. So y'all make sure y'all follow those rules if y'all are going to enter it, because if you don't know who I am, I go by the name of Jay Wash, and I will not enter you if you do not follow all rules. This video is already too long on 2 items, so we're gonna get up out of here. GG's.